everyone, we're going to find the missing terms of each arithmetic sequence, and it's also known as the arithmetic mean. And we're doing these two problems. I'm going to go ahead and start with the second one, go first, and then we're going to do that one. So basically what we're going to use is this formula here, and it's given here, and we're going to find the common difference. So basically, what you're going to do is look how many terms you have, which is n. So we have n equals 5. And then we're going to use our formula a sub 5, which is your last term, which is negative 2. We need our first term, which is going to be 18, and solve for d, then fill everything out. So basically we're going to do a sub 5 equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So a sub 5 is your last term, is negative 2 equals your first term plus 5 minus 1 times d. So this is negative 2 equals 18. This is 5 minus 1 plus 4d. Now we're going to subtract 18 from both sides of the equation. So when you do that, you're going to get negative 20. So you're subtracting 18 from both sides equals 4d. Then divide both sides by 4. And you get d equals negative 5. So now that we have that, all we do is write this out. We have 18, 1, 2, 3, negative 2. And you keep subtracting 5. So this is going to be 13, 8, and 3. Now the reason it's called arithmetic mean is because the number in between these two numbers is the mean. So that means if I add 13 plus 3 and divide by the 2, that gives you 16 divided by 2 gives you the 8. So that's why it's also known as arithmetic mean. Okay, sometimes you get into situations like this problem. And when you do that, what we're going to do is just pretend, so we have 5, 1, 2, negative 1, 1. We actually have 5 terms here we have to find out. But let's just say there's 4. So if you just cut this out for now and say 4, then we have a last term, which is going to be our fourth term. So we're going to let n equal 4. And your last term would be negative 1, and your first term would be 5. Now, fill in your formula. So a sub 4 is negative 1. This just means your last term, or the term you're looking for. So it can be all of these. This formula is also known as the explicit formula, or the nth term of the sequence. So it's going to be negative 1 equals 5 plus n minus 1. So that's 4 minus 1 times d. So negative 1 equals 5 plus 3d. Subtract the 5 equals 3d. So clearly d equals negative 2 if you divide both sides by 3. So now just keep subtracting 2. And when you do that, you're going to get 5, 3, 1, negative 1. And then go ahead and do the last term as negative 3. And you could keep going on if you wanted to. But we only need to do 5 of these. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.